everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing another what I eat in a day video, since so many of you guys have requested for this video. But quickly before we proceed with the video, I do want to thank Smart for Life for sponsoring this video. I did just receive a box of yummy cookies from them, so I will show you guys the cookies later on in the video. But again, thank you so much to Smart for Life for sponsoring this video. Let's go ahead and get started with our day. So right now it is currently about 8:30 a.m. I don't have my phone with me, it's charging because I forgot to charge it last night before I went to sleep. So I have already made my usual, you guys know if you've watched my previous what I eat in a day videos, I do drink a cup of water with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, half a lemon, and today I actually added in like a little bit of cayenne pepper. Just in case you guys are wondering which apple cider vinegar I use, this is the one. You can find it at like any supermarket, I believe, and I believe it's only like $5 or less. What do you have to say, my love? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. High five, mama. Yay! Yeah, I love you. Hey guys, so it is currently 10:42. As you can see, I am now going to make a light breakfast for myself. Cadence is taking a nap. She wakes up really early, so she goes down to sleep again around this time. So yeah, I'm gonna make a little omelet or a scramble. All right, so these are the ingredients that you are going to need. I'm gonna be using the habanero and Himalayan pink salt seasoning. You can just use regular salt if you want, but I do have this one and I like this one a lot, so I'm gonna be using this one. I think I got this one from Burlington. I have right here is the roasted garlic powder, some cayenne pepper, black pepper. I have 2 eggs and some spinach. So you want to start off with just heating up the pan. Grab a bowl and I'm gonna be cracking these 2 eggs. Gonna add my seasonings now. Feel free to add anything you want. I'm gonna be adding some green onions in there and some cilantro because I love green onions and cilantro. And I'm also gonna be adding a little bit of Thai chili peppers just for extra spice. I'm gonna go ahead and spray the pan with some coconut oil. Alright, now I'm gonna take some spinach. Right now it is currently 11:56. I don't know if you guys can even see the time, but I just got done running 3 miles and I believe within 24 minutes I did burn 291 calories. I am gonna go ahead and snack on my favorite cookie. I recently just got a package from Smart for Life and I received it, I believe, sometime last week, and I've been devouring these, okay? So this is the chocolate chip cookie flavor, and look, I only have 1 left because I love it that much. But they also sent me the oatmeal raisin. I haven't tried this one yet, but I did give a pack to Rex and he loves it, so I'm so excited to try this starting tomorrow since I only have 1 cookie left here. And they also sent me the banana chocolate chip squares. So they do have a total of 6 flavors, and these cookies are high in protein, high in fiber, and pretty low in calories. Everything about these cookies are so beneficial, and that's what I love about them. So if you are interested in trying these cookies out, be sure to use my code LOVE15. I will leave right here on the screen, and that'll get you 15% off your purchase. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert the clip of me trying it out for the first time, my first impressions about it when I tried it out last Saturday, so you guys can see everything, how I feel about them and all that. I mean, you guys can tell that I love it so much that there's only one left. But anyways, I'm not gonna ramble on too much. I'm gonna munch on this cookie while you guys enjoy the next clip. So this is one of the flavors. This one is the chocolate chip cookies. So the cookies does come in 6 different flavors. They are high in protein and high in fiber. So you can use these as a pre-workout or a post-workout, and you can also use these as a meal replacement. And of course, you can use this as a snack in between meals, and it'll help you suppress your appetite. So you can use these cookies for weight loss as well, and they offer like a 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and 5 weeks kit on their website. And they also have the gluten-free weight loss kit as well. And if you just want the cookies as snacks and you want to try all the different flavors, you can also get these in a combo box, so you're able to try all the different flavors that they have. So if you are interested in checking out these cookies from Smart for Life, I do have a coupon code for you guys, which will take 15% off your purchase. The code is just LOVE15. I will leave it right here on the screen. I will also leave a direct link where you can purchase these cookies down in the description box below, as well as any other information you need to know down in the description box below. And if you have any questions about these cookies, you can feel free to ask me down in the comment section. Alright guys, so it is the moment of truth. I am going to try these cookies. This is what the packaging looks like. These are the cookies. Ooh, they look so yummy. And I got a little bit of the frosting because it fell off when I opened up the package. It tastes so good. So let's go ahead and taste the cookie. Look how delicious that looks, you guys. Ooh. Mmm. Mmm. It is soft. Almost like a brownie, but not really. It's really soft and it's really flavorful. It's delicious, you guys. Mmm. Mmm. It has like, sorry. So good. It has like these little, I don't know if you guys can see them, like crunch balls in there. I don't know what they are, but wow, the crunch balls gives it such a like amazing texture. I'm a texture person, so so good. I am a big sweet tooth. Like I love sweets. And it's hard for me to find like really yummy protein bars or protein cookies. I'll definitely be using these for a pre-workout as well. Pre-workout meal or after workout meal. Especially if I'm just on the go. This is perfect because it's high in protein, high in fiber, and it is only 100 to 110 calories per cookie, which will keep you full. Also says right here, 0 grams of trans fat. I suggest you guys check them out. Hey guys, sorry about the background music. Cadence is watching her learning videos, but right now it is currently 1:40 p.m. and I'm about to have a small lunch. I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna show you guys a super simple lunch that I always go to. It's so easy and so cheap as well. So this is what I'm having for lunch. I am having rotisserie chicken, which you can get this from like Stater Brothers, Albertsons, anywhere really. I cut up some cucumbers and 1/4 cup of jasmine rice. I'm also having my dipping sauce right here. Hey guys, so it is currently 4:14. Excuse Miss Caden's Luna over here, watching her little learning thing. And Daddy is home. And he brought home some bomb food. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys that, you know, you can eat out but in moderation. And then we also got Chinese food, but obviously I'm not gonna eat the whole thing. So I got half and half. Got some orange chicken and some walnut shrimp. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy dinner. I don't know if I told you the time, but it's 4:16 right now. I'm gonna enjoy dinner with my husband and my baby. So thank you so much for watching. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys and see you guys in my next video. Bye.